Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As a week ago, I posted a video where I told you that the Bitcoin has formed another bullish reversal harmonic move. And if this move won't work, then we should be ready for the next dip. And this was the video that I posted a week ago. You can see that the price action was forming different harmonic moves. And at that time, the price action formed the shark pattern. Let me just show you this chart that I posted on the Tradingview as well. And this was the shark pattern. First of all, I posted this shark pattern on 26th of June here. And on 26th of June, the price action was likely to complete this bullish shark pattern, the final leg of the bullish shark pattern. If we watch on this daily chart, the price action first of all completed the bullish bad pattern, and from the potential reversals on that starts from 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level, took the powerful bullish divergence and formed another bad pattern, and from the potential reversals on of next bad pattern, the price action again took another bullish divergence and formed a bullish shark pattern. At that time, I was expecting that the price action will complete this final leg as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish shark, because first, after this initial leg, the price was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. So this was the first confirmation for the bullish shark. Then the price action, this B to C leg, was projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And this is the projection of A to B leg. And this was the second confirmation. Therefore, I was expecting that as per Fibonacci sequence, the price action will complete this bullish shark pattern. Now, I'm just playing this chart now. You can see that the price action, as per prediction, entered in this potential reversal zone. And now, finally, the price action took another bullish divergence. And at this time, it is moving up. Now, if we watch on the live chart, then the price action, after hitting this potential reversal zone, moving upwards, and if we place this Fibonacci tool from the C to D leg, then technically the price action should at least enter in the Fibonacci projection area from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection level, and this is that area that starts from here and ends up to this level. So this 0.786 Fibonacci projection, this level, is a very strong resistance for the price line that is almost at $9,500 or $9,600. And if we take a look at the chart, then the price action has entered in this area that is the Fibonacci projection from 0.382 to 0.786. This is the Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. And now there are two possibilities, that whether the price action will be moved down in this potential reversal zone or more than that, or it will cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection level. If it will be broken out, the price action will cross up this level, then price action can start another powerful bullish move to make another attempt to break out the next resistance level. That is the most powerful resistance level for the price action of Bitcoin. That is the $10,000. First of all, the price action need to break out this $9,500 level where we have this 0.786 Fibonacci projection level. Now, if we watch on the same daily chart, the price action has also formed another new channel, the parallel channel, and here the price action almost reached at the support, and after reaching at the support, the price action is turned bullish and going to make another attempt to break out this level. But before this 10,000 resistance level, we have another resistance, and that is the $9,500 resistance level. Here we can see that this is the chart where I have depicted the different support and resistance level. We have the $7,500 support level, then $8,200 support level, then $8,800 support level. That is retested several times, and now the price action after retesting this support level is moving up to this $9,500. That is our next resistance, and if it will be broken out, then the price action can make another attempt to break out this channel resistance as well. And if we want the different indicators, for example, this is the momentum indicator, and this is the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, and this is the stochastic. The stochastic has given the bull cross from very close to the oversold zone. And if we want the MACD indicator, that is turned strong bullish, and we have also received the bull cross from the moving averages of the MACD, as we have the 12 and 26 moving averages within this indicator. And if we watch the momentum indicator, then it is also turned weak bearish from strong bearish. So it is another signal that the momentum is also changing from bears to bulls. And soon we can see that the momentum will be turned strong bullish like it was turned here, and the price action will be moved more up to this resistance level of $10,000. There is a possibility, but if this support level that we have at $8,800 will be broken down, then definitely the price action, after breaking down the support of the channel, will retest the previous support at $8,200. Therefore, I always emphasize to make this $8,800 as your stop loss, because if this support will be broken down, then the price action may move to the next support, that is $8,200. And in case this support will be also broken down, then the price action may move to the previous support, that is at $7,500. And now if we want the different moving averages, the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200, then the price action already had the strong support of 100 and 200 simple moving averages, and the bull cross between these moving averages as well. And at this time, the price action is trying to break out the 25 and 50 simple moving averages as well. Now here I'm waiting for the two signals or two things. If these two things will be happen, then the price action may break out the 10K resistance level, or at least it will make another attempt to break out the 10K resistance level. One is the price action cross up these two moving averages, and after crossing up these two moving averages, the 25 simple moving average form the bull cross or golden cross with 50 moving average again. And once again, we will have the order of the moving averages, that we will have the smallest time period moving average, that is the 25, above all the moving averages. Then we have the 50, then 100 and 200. Then definitely an open alligator mouth will be formed again, and that will be a really very bullish signal for the price line, and maybe the price line will turn very strong bullish after the formation of the alligator open mouth by the simple moving averages. And if we take a look at the exponential moving averages on the same daily chart, this is the exponential moving average 21, that is above the exponential moving average 10. This blue one is the exponential moving average 10. The price action is also trying to cross up the exponential moving averages 21 and 10 as well. And if the price action will cross up these moving averages, and once again these moving averages also form the bull cross as I'm expecting here by the 25 and 50 simple moving averages, that will be another bullish signal. And you can see that since after this bullish divergence that the Bitcoin has started since after the mid of March, it is using these two exponential moving averages as a very good support. So this can be another retest of these support or these exponential moving averages. And after that, after this successful retest, the price action will make another move to break out the 10,000 resistance level. Now, I would like to recall this long-term move of the moving averages of BTC on this weekly chart, that the 25 simple moving average is likely to cross up very soon. This 50 simple moving average. This green one is the 50, this blue one is the 25, this red one is 100, and this yellow one is the 200 simple moving averages. We have already the 200, the biggest time period moving average below all other moving averages. Then we have 100. Now we need the 50 moving average here, and the 25 simple moving average above all these moving averages, then an opened alligator mouth on the weekly chart by the simple moving averages will be formed like it was formed here back in 2016 to 2017, and the price action turned very strong bullish. And I'm expecting such kind of move again. If this bull cross will be formed, that is very close to be formed very soon, then we can expect a very powerful bullish rally. And if this golden cross will be formed below the price action, then there will be two strong bullish signals on this long-term weekly chart. One is the bull cross between the 25 and 50 simple moving average and the completion of the alligator mouth, the open alligator mouth. And this bull cross is going to be formed below the price action. That is another really very powerful bullish signal, because if the bull cross is formed above the price action, that is a kind of weak bullish signal. But once this golden cross is formed just below the price action, that becomes a really very powerful support, and that also lifts the price action up, and that can help the price action to break out the next resistance level very soon. And at the end of the video, I would like to recall this very big bullish gardner pattern that is formed on the monthly chart, and I posted this chart on the 6th of April. And as per Fibonacci projection or Fibonacci sequence, I just predicted that the price action should take the bullish divergence from here, and it should enter in this area from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D lag, because this is the Gartley pattern. Therefore, in case of Gartley, we watch the Fibonacci projection to sell our asset or to find the potential sell zone, the projection of A to D lag. And in case of shark, like we have here, we try to find the Fibonacci projection of C to D lag. This is the difference between the Gartley and the shark and cipher pattern as well. Now, I'm watching for the price action to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. I have just played this chart, and you can see that the price action turned very strong bullish, and at this time the price action is entered in this Fibonacci potential reversal or Fibonacci projection level. And once the price action will be able to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg, then it can turn more powerful bullish and can start a very long-term bullish rally. And you can see that every candlestick is closing above the shoulder of the previous candlestick, and this is the new candlestick appeared on the 1st July, and this is also bullish. But it is at this time the size of the candlestick is not so much big, but I'm expecting that it will be increased, and we will have the next candlestick before the closing of this month above the shoulder of this previous candlesticks. And once we will have a complete sequence of the bullish candlesticks, then it will be easy for the price action to cross up this level. So this was the update so far by the price action of Bitcoin. I hope that this bullish continuation or bullish reversal pattern, the bullish harmonic shark pattern, will work, and it will help the price action to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and it will also help the price action to cross up the 10,000 resistance level. However, we should set this level that is almost at $8,800 as our stop loss, as we have the potential reversals on of this shark pattern, and we also have the support of this channel at $8,800, and we also have the previous support level at $8,800 as our stop loss. This should be our stop loss. So this is all the updates so far. If you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.